In a massive and coordinated joint efforts and operations, enforcement agencies led by the Sonamura Police Station successfully destroyed an extensive illegal cannabis plantations spread across the Kamal Nagar, Ghatighar and Bijoynagar areas. The large-scale anti-narcotics drive targeted 36 separate plantation plots covering an area of approximately 70 acres. Authorities confirmed that the operation resulted in the destruction of an estimated 4.7 lakh Ganja plants. The successful operation was the result of the coordinated effort involving multiple state and central agencies, underscoring the government's commitment to eradicating illegal drug cultivations in the region. Key agencies that participated in the joint team included Sonamura Police Station, BSF, TSR and Forest Department. Reported by Musharraf from Sonamura, Chini, Khorang.